Today, I'm going to give you a technique how to quantum manifest. But be warned, once you start this, things start to move fast. So make sure you're actually ready for what you're asking for. In my last video, we talked about what quantum manifestation really is and how these laws operate. It's the idea that you don't just get what you want until you actually become that version of yourself who already has it. But I know what some of you are thinking. Okay, I've shifted my energy, but how do I stay there when my physical world still looks the same? Nikola Tesla said, if you only knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6 and 9, you'd have the key to the universe. If quantum manifestation is the software update for your life, the 369 method is the daily code that keeps it running. We're going to look at why Nikola Tesla called these numbers the key to the universe, and exactly how to use this ritual to anchor your quantum leap into your physical reality. In numerology and vortex maths, these aren't just numbers. They represent universal patterns of energy and vibration. 3 represents our direct link to the universe and creative energy. 6 represents our inner strength and the harmony of the mind. 9 represents completion, the final stage of manifestation, where the thought becomes solid. When we manifest using these specific intervals, we aren't just writing on paper, we are aligning our focus with the mathematical structure of the quantum field. And here is how you actually do it. So go and grab a dedicated journal. Doing this by hand is way more powerful for your subconscious than typing. The first step is the affirmation. So draft one sentence, but it must be in the present tense and at least 17 seconds long to read. This is the time it takes for a thought to reach combustion. I'll give you an example. I am so grateful to be thriving in my dream career, earning an abundant income, doing what I love. The second step is in the morning, as soon as you wake up, write your affirmation 3 times. This sets your quantum signal for the day. This is your calm. Step 3, in the afternoon, in the middle of the day, write it 6 times. This is your anchor. It prevents you falling back into old thought patterns during the busy hours. Step 4, at night time, right before you fall asleep, write it 9 times. This sets the manifestation in stone. The manifestation is now collective and hands the instruction to your subconscious to work on while you dream. Now here's the most important part, the quantum part. If you just write the words while you're thinking about grocery list, it's not going to work. You have to feel the emotion of already having it. Let's think of it like this. Your words are the command, but your emotion is the fuel. According to the Universe Unveiled, you should visualize the scene and feel the gratitude as you write. Now, consistency is key. Most practitioners recommend doing this for 33 days straight. Now, if you miss a day, don't beat yourself up, but try to stay in that frequency as much as possible. Quantum manifestation tells us that multiple realities exist right now. So by using the 369 method, you are choosing which one to observe into existence. It's simple, it's grounded, it's a direct bridge between your mind and the universe. Now I want to hear from you. What is that one affirmation you're going to use for this challenge? Drop it in the comments below. Let's support each other in this 33-day journey. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and check out my last video on quantum manifestation if you haven't seen it yet. Peace, love, and happy manifesting.